In this video, I'm going to be explaining you how to grab any type of image or texture that you want and import it into your gun as a custom camo. Now, this is going to be like a follow-up video or a more detailed video to Skylar's video that they made. No shade to their video. Their video is good. It's just had some important information that got left out that needs to be explained. Now, in their video, they basically left you with a description, the UABA link, and the Asset Studio. You do need these to be able to actually be able to do this. But about the UABA link is that before you can be able to open it, you actually need to download the Microsoft.NET Runtime 6.6.26. You need that to be able to actually be able to open a program. So all you have to do is go to here, scroll down, go to Mac OS or go to Windows and click on the x64 for Windows if you're on Windows, x64 if you're on Apple, click on that. Install it, let it run, let it install, and then after it finishes installing, you'll actually be able to open the UABA program. So keep that in mind before you actually be able to download this. So after you download the UABA and the Asset Studio, it will put it into a zip file where you can just drop it into any file to unzip it. So, because you will not be able to open the program until you unzip it into a file. So, just basically, you can just make a new file and then just unzip it into there, and then you'll be good. After that, then you'll be able to see. You can scroll down, and then you'll actually be able to see the UABA, and then you'll be able to see the Asset Studio GUI. To open them, you just double tap it and then you'll be able to open it. If you do not have the i.NET installed, it will ask you to install it. That's also another way you can see if you have it installed or not. You can just click on it, and if it pops up with saying that it needs to install that, just click on let install, let it run, and then after that, you'll be good. And then after that, you do the same thing with Asset GUI. You click that, and it will be able to open Asset GUI. And now after that, now you just want to go to the game's directory in Common Master, where you just go to Steam, right click the game, go to manage, browse local files. After that, you go to Common Master, data, streaming assets, bundles, and then you'll see attachments into REST. You want to drag and drop that into Asset Studio GUI. It'll pop over all this stuff. You just click OK on it. Just click on OK on it. And after that, then you just go to asset list where it pop up for all the assets in the game. And after that, you just click. You want to also make sure that you import the camo that you actually want. So for their video, they have fade and they exchange that fade for a different camo. If you do not have the camo that you want to exchange with, you will not be able to use the camo. So always make sure that you have the camo that you want to exchange with. For example, if you have spray, you can just exchange that spray camo and CM with something else. If you do not have fade, you will not, and you exchange that for something else, and you want to use it, you will not be able to use it because you don't own a camo. So only do it for camos that you own. For example, we can just do spray because some people, a lot of people, I'm pretty sure has spray on their gun. You can do spray 0, spray 9, spray 1. You can basically do any camo that you want. For for starters, let's just do spray 0. Now, also, you want to make sure that the texture that you want to use, make sure that is the exact width and height of it. Make sure it has the exact dimensions. Make sure it's 512 by 512. Some camos have different dimensions, but you just want to make sure that the texture you want to import has the exact same dimensions as the camo that you want to exchange with. Now, if you can just grab a camo from Google or anywhere you want, just grab that camo or texture. And after that, if once you download it and actually grab it, you can just go to here, go to the camo that you want, right click it and open with paint. And after you open it with paint, you will just go to here, resize it, go to pixels and resize it to the exact dimensions. For example, dimensions for this one is 512 by 512. And so your basic dimensions for that will be 512 by 512. And after you do that, you can click OK, go to File, And also make sure that it's saved as a PNG. If it's not saved as a PNG, you can always change it to save as a PNG by just clicking Save As, go to Save as PNG picture, and then after that, you'll be done, and you'll be able to actually be ready to import your camo. Now, after that, you basically want to make sure that you have the path ID for the camo that you want to use. Now, you can just go ahead, just go to the path ID, which is on to the right side, right here. You right click it, and then you go to and you click copy text. After that, then you want to go to the game directory, go to attachment to rest, and you want to drag that into the UABA program. And after that, now you want to click info, click to, my bad. Then you want to go to view, go to assets, and after that, then you just want to get rid of this one, and then copy and paste the path ID that you just copied. Control V, basically. After that, you click OK, and then it'll pop up with the camo that you want. Now, all you have to do then is go to plugins, edit texture, click OK, load, and then you just pick the texture that or you pick the image that you downloaded. For example, I did this, so I click open. Then after that, you click save. And now after you click save, you want to go to file, click save again. After click OK, then you want to close this, go to here, and then click save again. And now, after that, you're all done. Now the camo's in the game. All you gotta do is just close everything, and after that, just go to the game. Also, another thing that I also forgot to tell you is if you have the game open already, if you have it open already, make sure you just close it and reopen it. If you already have it closed, then you can just go to the game and just open it via Steam. And after that, after you have that, then you just go to here, go to your weapons, and then we're just going to go to the camo that we actually have that we exchanged with. So we're going to go to mods, go to customize. Hold up, actually, let me do something real quick. You want to make sure that's standard. Click that. After that, go to mods, customize, camo, and then as you can see, we now have Damascus camo or a custom imported camo on spray, on this Dune spray, on this Dune spray. So shooting range, and then yeah, there you go. You have your camo. And that's it, you're done. And you basically do the same thing for any other gun that you want. You can do it for any other you can do it for any other camo that you want. You can do it for stripes. You can do it for maze, woodland, digital, splinter, monolith, dragon. You can do it for any other camo that you want. And now, yeah, that's the end of the video. It's that simple. Now, if you have any questions or any issues in the comments, just let me know and I'll respond to you and get back to you as best as I can. If you need any help, I'll also leave my Discord where you can message me if you have any questions too. But yeah, have a nice day. Enjoy having your custom camo.